Hey, Dean here, and today I'm stuck with a classic automotive nightmare, a completely flat tire. We've all been there, right? But as I started to assess the situation, it got even more interesting. I found not one, but two punctures in this tire. This is a real world scenario many of us might face, and knowing how to handle it, even with multiple leaks, can save you a huge headache and a tow bill. Before diving into any repair, the golden rule is always assess the damage. This is critical for your safety and knowing if a plug kit is even viable. We're looking for the source of the leak. Remember, plug kits are primarily for punctures in the main tread area. If you have damage on the sidewall or a large tear, do not attempt a plug. That requires professional attention. When you're dealing with a flat, the last thing you want is your tools failing you. Many cheap tire repair kits online simply aren't up to the task. Flimsy handles, weak plugs, they can actually make things worse. That's why I can't stress enough the importance of investing in a high quality kit. If I had to replace these tools that I've accumulated over the years here, I would buy this Boulder kit linked down below. I've only got the tire removed here for video purposes. Please make sure you've got your vehicle safe and secured before starting work. Pro tip, if the leak's on a front tire, you can crank the wheel to make it more accessible. Starting with the first puncture, carefully remove your offending object. Try your best not to widen the hole as you pull it out. Once it's free, give it a quick visual inspection to confirm the entry point. Now this next step's crucial for a successful seal, reaming the hole. Grab your reamer tool. This tool isn't just for making the hole bigger, it's designed to clean out the puncture and more importantly, rough up the rubber around the inside of the hole. This creates the perfect texture surface for your plug to bond to. Thread one of the high quality rubber plugs halfway through the eye of your insertion tool. If your kit includes rubber cement, apply a generous amount to the entire plug. This acts as both an additional sealant and a lubricant, making insertion easier and improving the bond. With firm, steady pressure, push the insertion tool with the plug straight into the puncture. You're aiming to push it deep, leaving only about a ½ inch of the plug visible on the outside of the tire. A quick yank on the handle ensures that our plug will stay down in there. Now we can trim it off with a rusty razor blade. Okay, puncture number one is sealed and ready. Now for the curveball, the second leak. We're going to repeat the exact same process for this one. This highlights while having a reliable kit with multiple plugs is so important. Just like before, first, remove the object from the second puncture. Then, ream the hole thoroughly. Cleaning and roughing up the rubber is key for the bond. Be cautious to follow the path of the puncture. You don't want to create a new hole here. Once it's prepped, prepare the insert for your second plug. A light spray of some soapy water will help us slide this plug in. Firmly push it deep enough into that tire that you've got your ½ inch sticking out, ensuring that we'll have a good seal. Give the handle a quick snap back, ensuring the plug stays in place. And finally, trim the excess material flush with the tire surface. With both of the plugs securely in place, it's time to reinflate the tire. You'll find your vehicle's recommended tire pressure on the sticker inside your door jamb. Once it's inflated to the correct pressure, the final, absolutely critical step is to check for leaks. A simple spray bottle of soapy water is perfect for this. No bubbles means no troubles. All right, folks, there you have it. Tire's back on. Tire pressure sensors reading correctly. Now let me be absolutely clear. These plug repairs are temporary fixes. Driving long distances or at high speeds on a plugged tire is not recommended. Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can tackle these emergencies yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Diagnostics with Dean for more essential automotive knowledge. And let me know in the comments below if you've ever had to perform an emergency tire repair, especially with multiple leaks. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.